Hi friends, let me show you this set of two back seat organizers for your car. These are great. As you will see, you can install them really easy, and you will be able to put your stuff here, or even have your kids able to see a movie in your iPad or in a tablet and have your stuff here. So let me tell you, it's easy to install them. And these hooks go in the bottom part of the seat, okay? Perfect. You can put different stuff here. Like this, or as I told you, you could open this one. You can adjust the length of the strap, okay? And you can put like food for your kids, or if you want to see a movie, you could put a tablet here, or even have your computer here to look to a picture or to work a little bit, okay? So if you want to read, you could also have your book here, okay? So whatever the activities, this is a great helper in your backseat. You get a set of two. Here is the other one. So you can have one for each of your back seats and have your kids or the persons riding in the back of your car with a lot of space to put stuff, to organize your car, or to use this shelf for any activity that you want to do in your car. Thank you.